How do I choose the right socks printing machine for my business? Colorido offers 3 professional sock printer options: a 4-station sock printer, a 2-station sock printer, and a single-arm sock printer. Next, we'll guide you step by step through understanding how to select the most suitable sock printing solution for your business needs, by examining the specific printing methods of these 3 devices. 4-station sock printer is renowned for its high efficiency and powerful production capacity. It employs 4-roller alternating printing technology, achieving a production capacity of 60 to 80 pairs per hour with stable and outstanding performance. This model is particularly suitable for established sock factories or heat transfer printing companies seeking transformation and upgrading. If you have ample space and plan to build a production line, it is undoubtedly your ideal choice. Dual-station sock printer uses a dual-roller alternating printing mode, capable of consistently outputting 40 to 45 pairs of socks per hour. Its 1.1 meter long rollers can easily handle socks of all lengths available on the market. For users with limited space or budgets who still desire stable output and broad adaptability, this model is an extremely wise choice. Single-station sock printers are an ideal starting point for beginners. With a low initial investment, they offer great flexibility for startups, brick-and-mortar stores, or sock designers, easily handling in-store customization, individual entrepreneurship, or product sampling. Despite their entry-level positioning, their efficiency is still considerable, consistently printing 25 to 30 pairs of socks per hour. That concludes this episode on sock printers. For more professional guides on digital manufacturing, please subscribe to our channel. See you next time.